In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn $200 per day using Google Maps. This is a very fast way to do it. It's very simple. Anybody can do it, and it's amazing. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed, as I will go ahead and get back to you. All right, so I'm gonna hop into my computer right now and let me show you how it's done. Step number one, you have to come to Google Maps on your local area. You want to do this where you live. And once you are here, you zoom in on the map, you will see a lot of businesses that are here. In this case, I'm gonna give you an example of a dentist. So let's look for dentists here. Here's all kinds of dentists. Here's one. Here's another one. So this one right here, Medic Angra. Let's go now. We come here to Google, and since we are on our local area, let's look for dentists. So when we look over here, this dentist that we're looking here on Google Maps, Medic Angra, it's not showing on the first page of business. We're gonna offer these guys right here. We click on top of them so we can, see their phone number right here. We have their phone number, their website as well. So what we want to do is we want to go to their website, find their email, and then we're going to use this program right here, which is Loom. It's absolutely for free, this one right here, loom.com. And you can record your screen on your browser with audio. And so you record a video to the owner just saying, hey, I can put your business on the first ranking #1 on Google when people search dentist. So to be shown on the first page here of Google. And then I will do that for $200. Then after they accept the offer, you come to Fiverr. You want to search for this right here, which is rank Google business. And you will find that there are many gigs that do this, like this one over here, right? It will put the business on top, showing on the top, 3-pack of Google. And they do it for $8, for almost $9, $10, right? Here's another one. This one will do, for $21. Now note that getting your business on ranking #1 is not as hard as it is, ranking a website. Ranking a business, it's not as hard. So they are able to do this very easily for you. Then you let these guys on Fiverr do the gig for you, like this one right here. I will optimize Google Business. Literally, when you optimize well Google Business, you put all the websites and all the info there correctly, and you just add, a couple of reviews and things like that. Normally, it goes up. But these guys know how to do this. So literally, what you're doing is you offer them. It can be $200, it can be $300. You're offering them this service so their business goes to #1 when they search for dentist or whatever niche you're going after, right? And then you come to Fiverr and they'll do it for you. And boom, there you go. This is the business model. It's very easy. What you want to be doing then, recording at least, at least 5 videos per day so that you get clients every day and you can make those $200 per day. This method is very simple and straightforward. But don't think that this is like something that it doesn't work. It really does work. Businesses are really willing to pay to have their business on the top of the page, especially their business on their local area. That's what we're talking about here. The good thing about this is it's easy to do. It's very straightforward. The gig on Fiverr, they'll do it for you, and you just have to, manage and get the customer. And then, just work with Fiverr, and both of the ends will be happy. The Fiverr gigger will be happy. You send them a gig, and the person that they want their business on the top will also be happy. And you are the middleman, and you're making that profit. And that's okay, because you are providing the solution, right? You are providing the solution. Without you, they would never be able to do this. So know that you're doing a service to them. This is really good. And this is not some kind of spam or things like that, because I've did a video on TikTok about this. And a few people think that, using black hat methods. With Fiverr, it's very easy to do this, and it's with white hat stuff. So it's not with hacking or nothing. Actually, these gigs in Fiverr, they do it well, most of them. because to rank a Google business in Google on your local area, it's actually easy. It's not a hard task like it would be to do a website. So there we go. This is how you do it. It's quite simple, straightforward. I could go into more detail on how to do it, but I want to keep it very simple so that you can now work from here, and then you can do it as you like and choose whatever niche, how you want to do it, how you want to connect with them. You can even, call them instead of just emailing them. I would definitely, send them an email, and if they don't get back to me within, 1 hour, I would definitely call them and then say, hey, I've sent you an email regarding your business, and then work from there, because this is really good. I mean, who doesn't want their business number one for the keyword that most people search for on their local area? I mean, anybody wants it. So this is a great way to make $200 per day online, and you can do it from the comfort of your home. And you can even do it with just a phone. You could record a video on your phone. That's fine. It's doable, everything on a phone, because even on Fiverr you can do it through a phone. So even if you don't have a computer, you can use your phone, your tablet, and that's absolutely fine. It's doable. It's really doable. So there we go. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Smash and make the button blue. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe so you'll be notified on my next video, as I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. And if you know somebody that needs to work from home, needs to make money online, this is a great way to them to start and make good money. So would you please share this video with them? They will be very grateful for your service. Thank you. Oh, and by the way, if you want to make high ticket affiliate marketing commissions, $1,000, 500, 2,000, 3,000, even 5,000 commissions, it's a great program that I promote, and I make $1,000 commissions. If you want to find out more about this amazing program, I will leave a link below in the description, and also in the pinned post in the comment section below. It's really cool. That will be below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching. I really am grateful to have you here on the channel. Thank you so much. Don't forget to smash the like button, to subscribe to the channel. We are a family here. We're all helping each other. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much, and I will see you next video.